When you get the Stinger HEIGH10, you upgrade to a beautiful 10-inch screen. This kit will make the HEIGH10 look like it came off the factory floor with it installed. It's going to add vehicle information app that pulls data from the Jeep like pitch and roll. If your Jeep has automatic HVAC controls, you're going to get a new climate control screen that gives you a graphic representation and allows you to control your Jeep's HVAC system from your HEIGH10. The HEIGH10 has a built-in amplifier with a lot more power than the factory amplifier, giving you better sound quality. It also has 6 4-volt RCA pre-outs so you can expand your system. The Jeep factory radio gives you a 3-band EQ. The HEIGH10 gives you an expanded 15-band EQ. We also provide time alignment so you can optimize your sound for the best sound quality. You get front, rear, and subwoofer crossovers, including slope and level adjustability. The HEIGH10 adds Android Auto and Carplay to your Jeep. This allows you to stream music, send and receive phone calls and text messages, access navigation, and more, all without touching your phone. You'll retain your factory HD cameras, and the HEIGH10 will add multiple camera inputs, allowing you to install up to 4 additional cameras. The HEIGH10 comes compatible with the iGo navigation. Insert the iGo SD card sold separately into your HEIGH10 brain during installation and get access to turn-by-turn directions and maps, all without needing a cell phone signal. With the Stinger HEIGH10, your Jeep driving experience is completely transformed.